even bother moving, did he? He couldn't give a shit. Wow. Good survival instincts that one got.
What shape are you having?
Really giant one.
Giant one?
Yeah.
What is he doing? What a twat.
What's that?
We want about it's an Audi.
Yeah, but there's no need to up 2 lanes. Either get in front.
It's an Audi.
That's all the point now, is it? Why did he do it?
It's an Audi. Yeah. It's on dickhead.
It's a bit chilly now, isn't it?
What was that?
What was that? I have no idea. It's a BMW tailgating. What do you expect was going to happen?
Is that white car?
Was it that white one, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Alexi,
Yeah.
the man behind is not texting, is he? He has not got his phone in his hand texting.
He has got his phone in his hand texting.
Don't lie.
He has.
Don't lie.
I'm not lying.
Don't lie to me, Alexi.
I'm not lying.
He is texting, isn't he?
Pretty much, yep.
You make shout special, baby girl.
Special.
Thank you.
Mummy, guess what? I'm just gonna eat you. I made it.
I'm gonna eat you first before you eat me.
I'm gonna eat you first before you eat me.
He hasn't actually looked up at the road once yet. He's just constantly got his face glued to that phone. Can you see it yet? Oh, that's a lot of rubbish. That is a lot of rubbish dumped by the side of the road. Can you see it yet? Look at that. What a twat. What a twat.
Why?
Why?
Yeah, why?
Because...
It says keep clear for a reason.
Because it's an idiot. It's special and it needs help. Okay? Yeah?
Meh.
Nah. Good. Park it. Oh dear. Oh dear. Monkeys like this irritate me because if they would have just kept right, because they're going right, you like get road position, keep to the right. Everyone could get past and not be held up by incompetence, man. Ugh. Those of you who've been watching my channel for any length of time will have heard my rants about cheap, nasty cars. This is an example. Oh! Ooh! Mama! Yikes. Look. Yeah. That's what you push your button, that. Call him a dickhead and then be on with your day. I'm debating whether or not to call that a red light or not. I think we might. Yeah, we'll call that a red light. Oh, you may shout special if you want, baby girl.
Special.
Thank you.
It's special.
A van driver. It was like red for at least a second, and he went through the red light.
But did he stop for the red light?
No, he didn't. He never stopped. Yeah, it's still red, my friend. It's both of you. It's still red. Hello, Wiki Wiki. It's still red. You see them creeping forward, and then when it changes green, you expect them to just blast off into the distance, and then they just sit there and do nothing. Rest in peace. What do we do at red lights?
Stop.
See, she's 3 years old and she understands. Why can't people who've passed their test understand what red light means? Shocking.
Yeah, but some people But some people.
Yeah.
Some people. Oh my god!
Has he got flashlights in the car behind us?
Huh?
Got flashlights in the car behind us? Oh no, it's just a reflection of his screen. It's like white coloured.
Ah, get your drift on.
Right near me.
Alex, you just shout sexy.
Sexy?
And then
Why?
sexy car, right? You don't see none of them anymore.
What is it?
Nissan!
How is that sexy?
Is it Nissan?
How is it sexy?
Oh, it is.
No.
Oh, it is, Alex.
No.
It is sexy.
No, it's not.
No, it is.
No.
No.
It is. No, I come past this road. I go through this road daily, multiple times, and I've only once seen a policeman in it. I only once in my entire life I've ever seen a policeman in that spot. What is that? Let's get closer. I don't think that's parking. I don't know. Let me know in the comments, but I am not classifying that as a parked car. That is abandoned. That is not parked. That is not parked. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear, dear, dear. Did somebody miss the white line? Aww. Oh, bless them. Wow, that is colourful. That is very artsy. I like that. Not a fan of the rust on the front, but the rest of it, very nice. Very nice. Not often you see a decorated van in Bristol. They usually look like shit. It's nice to see one decorated all fancy and lovely. Oh, there's another one there. Look. Very nice. Very nice.
Oh, look at the horsey.
Wow. I like that. Can we get one?
See the horsey in front? He's come right by your window now near me.
Hey, that is pretty good. Look at him go.
Oh, yeah.
He go quite fast.
Is he?
Can we get one day?
Yeah.
Dickhead.
Of course he did. You're not having any more chilies.
Yes, we are.
You can shake special, baby girl.
Special.
Thank you. See what you want, mummy.
What?
See what you want. There's a green light.
I said
Go.
I said park how you like, you asshole.
Ooh.
Just because you've got a Mercedes.
Ooh.
Oh, amazing.
Oh, what are you doing? Stupid squirrel.
That's a very colourful van, isn't it?
Radical, dude.
I want to go for a little drive.
You want to go for a little drive?
Yeah.
What, and waste fuel?
No.
Well, that's what going for a little drive does. It wastes fuel, and you're going to upset all the eco-mentalists, all the save the planet people. You're going to upset them if we go for a drive and waste fuel for no reason. You're going to upset them. How do you feel?
No, you are.
No, I'm not doing it. You're telling me what to do. You want to go for a drive, so you're the one who's going to be upsetting them, not me.
But you're the bossiest.
I'm the bossiest.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, we're not going for a drive then.
But we are both a little bit bossy. But can we go for a drive now?
Nope.
Look at that whole thing.
I was looking at that Klein trying to park. It upsets me when people smash their wheels on the curb. Alice, you make some old man sounds.
What do you want it to sound like?
I don't know, we'll have to put some music on top of it now, won't we? Alexi, make some old man noises. Ugh. Is that it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to put music on top of that as well now.
Oh, what like noises do old men make? Oh my god, look at that yellow bloody Kurt truck over there.
Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's better. I like that. You'd make a good old man, you would. Do that again.
Right? Was it good?
That was pretty good.
Yeah.
Why are they all waiting for?
I have no idea.
Because the bus can't go nowhere, so why don't you just go round? Bunch of idiots. Idiots. Idiots.
Taxi idiot.
Yeah. Well, that was eventful, wasn't it?
Oh, it was.